No more time to submit your overtime. Here's the easy steps. Firstly, tap the overtime feature. Click plus button. Then, click the tab requested for. Fill the date. Then, fill the duration. Type your description and reasons for overtime. Lastly, you can click Submit. And done, your application has been processed. For the leader's side, this is how to approve the overtime request. Firstly, tap Menu Overtime Requisition. Then, tap Approval. To approve, you can tap the Approve button. Connect, Engage, Experience with Axdif.